Section P6, Trigonometric Functions. Example 1. Consider the trigonometric function and its value. Cosine theta equals 2 over square root of 53. We want to determine the values of the remaining 5 basic trigonometric functions if theta is in between 0 and pi over 2. In order to solve this type of problem, it's always a good idea to draw a right triangle and put the reference angle on the right triangle so that we can work out all the sides. Cosine theta equals 2 over square root of 53 is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we can tell the adjacent side of theta is 2 and the hypotenuse of the right triangle is square root of 53. In order to find the value of the last side, we use the Pythagorean theorem. So we have so-called this y squared plus 2 squared equals square root of 53 squared. It means y squared plus 4 equals 53. So y squared equals 53 minus 4, which is 49. So y will equals, well, whether it's positive or negative, you look at this angle, okay? Theta is in between 0 to 2 pi. So we go from the horizontal axis, go counterclockwise, and we're going up less than pi over 2 radians or less than 90 degrees. So the y value is positive. So y will equals 7. So right here y equals 7. Then the science value for this angle is just opposite divided by hypotenuse. Tangent of theta equals opposite divided by adjacent, so 7 over 2. Or you can also think of it as sine theta over cosine theta. You still get 7 over 2. Cotangent of theta is a reciprocal of tangent, so it's 2 over 7. Secant of theta. So you need to remember secant of theta is 1 over cosine of theta. So it's a reciprocal of cosine. So square root of 53 over 2. And cosecant of theta equals reciprocal of sine theta, so is root 53 divided by 7.